We've added digital asset capture to the information model because asset managers need a more cost-effective way of recording what they have to maintain. With DAC, we're bringing together three normally disconnected sources of information: floor plans, 360 photos, and asset lists. ActivePlan provides a single platform that integrates them, and experts in different aspects of asset management are presented with a joined-up asset information model and the tools to add their knowledge to what they see. In this case, the school was built 15 years ago, and the as-built records that were handed over were poor. It's a PFI, and Sodexo will eventually have to hand back good asset data, so they decided to bite the bullet and create their own validated asset list. They'd normally send a surveyor to site, but it's getting increasingly difficult to find people with the right multidisciplinary expertise. A surveyor with electrical expertise may wrongly identify a mechanical asset, or vice versa, and neither of them may be experts in doors, windows, or cladding systems. Sodexo's turned this on its head by creating a spatial model to plan their routes and get permission for access, and then sending a relatively low-cost person to site with a 360 camera to capture each space. A team of experts at Sodexo's command centre then tag the assets in the photos using Sodexo's master library of asset types. These are already classified and tied back to other information like maintenance regimes and life cycle projections, so this one action glues together lots of valuable reporting. Electrical, mechanical, fire, FF&E and fabric specialists can work through each space and tag what they see. The beauty of this process is that someone can review what they were looking at when they made that judgment. As well as providing a level of audit, this is a really good way of training new people or bridging the gaps of expertise between specialisms. The result is a validated and auditable set of asset records that provides a baseline for the future.